If you're into pretty tech, you better keep watching. Good afternoon, you beautiful people. And equally beautiful is a thing that this whole video is about. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your real life in style. Now, this is a video I've been wanting to do. I finally have in my hands the Vivo V20 in Sunset Melody, which, in case you didn't know, is this beautiful pink, purple, blue gradient that changes and shifts color whenever light hits it. It's beautiful. And I've been wanting to see it in the flesh ever since I saw it online. Now it's finally here, and I decided to do a quick unboxing so I could take you with me on this wonderful journey of finally seeing this phone in the flesh for the first time. Without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Let's go. Vivo V20 right here. It has 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, Vivo branding, V20. On the back it says this has a 44 megapixel eye autofocus. That's gonna be good for selfies. Ultra sleek matte glass design, 64 megapixel night camera. Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G. And you guys, the Sunset Melody version. I'm so excited. Let's open this up for a better view. The light play on that. Nice. Am I the only person who appreciates stuff like this? I mean, guys, pretty things should come in pretty packages. Oh, whoa, nice. I didn't expect this. That looks good. Here we have a nice jelly case, SIM tool, and some paperwork. Ooh, product specs and warranty card. We then have the phone, which for suspense purposes, I'm not gonna show you yet. We have this piece of cardboard, which has a tiny little window, which allows you to peek into what else is in the box. I'm kidding. Right, so we have a power brick, this oddly shaped piece of cardboard, charging cord that is a USB-C and a USB-A, and some Vivo earphones. Right, let's get to the actual phone because I'm excited to see that. So on the phone itself, it says here, do not block the proximity sensor and the ambient light sensor. That's where that is, so don't block that. In display fingerprint scanner. Wow, I did not, wow. Okay, I forgot to cover this, so yeah, wow. Not quite sure if you can see that through this phone's beauty, but that shows you that there is a micro SD card and 2 SIM slots, and this phone feels pretty flat, so let me remove the plastic so we can appreciate further. Oh my god, guys, I already love this thing. Wow, wow, oh my gosh. Wow. Right, so give me a second, it's so pretty. It's pink. It's blue. Pink. Blue. There is the camera module over there. Pretty flat, actually. The back is actually flat, and that back feels so solid. It feels like it's matte glass. My fingerprints, they are no more. Wow, I love how this phone feels. I mean, you already know I love how it looks. On the right side, there is a volume rocker and then an unlock button. At the bottom, speakers, USB-C, headphone jack. On the left, that's a SIM tray. Right, let's power it up so we can do a full montage with that AMOLED screen included. And that was our quick unboxing and hands-on of the Vivo V20 in Sunset Melody. Just look at this thing! Now, I'm not even gonna go into the whole specs of this phone because this whole video is just an ode to this pretty thing. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Looks on phones are important. At this day and age, phones have become more than that utilitarian device you used to call and text. They've become our daily companions, their accessories, and like I always say, if you're gonna get something you're gonna be holding and looking at so many times in the day, it might as well be something that's beautiful. We have much to check out about this phone, and tomorrow I even have another pretty phone unboxing for you. We're gonna be looking at the Vivo V20 Pro, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, let me know what you think about this phone. Comment down below what you want to see in my next video on the V20. This thing is gonna be launching in a few days, so you'll definitely hear more about it. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's at @isadoes_. And as for now, let me leave you with even more visuals of this pretty thing because I personally can't get enough.